They take off.
He's been swerving.
Yep. There we go. Yeah. We got real quick.
Oh, stop. They stop.
Go, go, go! Shots fired. Get the car!
What was that? You good?
Go! Just go! We're gonna be northbound. Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans.
Hit us with, dude.
Hey! No, go! Dude, go!
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
I don't know. Sorry, do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went? No, stop. We're stopping. Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135th Street. Shot fired. The car's last seen northbound on Broadway and 135th Street. We need an R8. Partner, you okay?
Hey, 44 Broadway, 135th Street, alright.
Hey, stay with the car.
Northbound Broadway from 135th.
You want to call it reckless or DUI if they take off?
DUI, he's been swerving.
There we go. Yeah. We got him quick.
Oh, stop. They stop.
Go! Get the car! Adam 44 on Broadway, north of Rosecrans. Hey, this guy's not stopping. Keep an eye out, make sure he's not.
Hey, 44, Broadway, north of Rosecrans. 145, full cancel.
You want to call it reckless or DUI if they take off?
45. He's been swerving.
Yep. There we go. Yeah. We got him real quick.
Oh, stop. They stop.
Go! Shots fired. Officer needs help. Get the car!
What was that? You good?
No! Just go! We're gonna be northbound. Northbound Broadway from Rosecrans.
What hit us with, dude?
Hey! No, go!
Dude.
Go!
What was that?
I don't know. Sorry, do you know where they went?
No.
Do you know where they went? No, stop. We're stopping. Adam 44. We're on Broadway and 135th Street. We took shots fired. The car is last seen northbound on Broadway at 135th Street.